So in this video, I'm going to show you something that I wish I was shown 10 years ago, and I'm really annoyed myself that I've only just worked this out. When you play back a timeline, you have different options of how the timeline will represent itself and how the playhead will move. So with this option, as you play through the track, you'll see the playhead move along and the page will scroll to the right as it comes to the next one. Now that can be really annoying if you've got loads of clips, but you want to get in close. There is another option which will make it a bit easier when you're watching your work back and it won't keep page scrolling. To change this, go to Premiere Pro in the top, go to Preferences and go to Timeline, and this will give you all the preference of the timeline. Now at the moment, timeline playback is set auto scroll to page scroll. Change this to smooth scroll and click OK. What you'll see now is a different way that it will play back, and the entire timeline will move, but the playhead will stay still. And as you can see, the timeline will stay in the middle and the footage will move to the right. When you're doing large edits, this might be much easier, you might find this simpler, but it is an option that I wish I'd known years ago, and I'm really angry with myself that I've only just discovered this. So I'm telling you now so you don't make the same mistake I've done for the last 10 or 15 years.